Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make red velvet macarons. Preheat oven to 300 degrees F and line 2 baking sheets with parchment or silicone mats, then sift almond flour and cocoa together and set aside. Separate eggs carefully and measure sugar precisely for a stable meringue. Whip whites to soft peaks, add sugar gradually until glossy peaks form, then fold in dry ingredients with a gentle macaronage technique. Start by whipping room temperature egg whites to soft peaks and add sugar in 2 additions while mixing on medium speed. Gently fold the sifted almond flour and cocoa into the meringue using a spatula with controlled strokes, watching for the lava-like consistency. Add gel coloring a little at a time so the batter stays thick. Pipe consistent rounds, tap trays to pop air bubbles, then let shells rest until a skin forms. Bake your rested shells at 300 degrees F for about 12 to 16 minutes, rotating trays halfway through for even color and feet development. Let shells cool fully on the tray to firm up and avoid cracking when lifted. Prepare a smooth cream cheese buttercream, pipe it onto one shell, and sandwich with a matching size. Chill assembled macarons for at least 24 hours to allow flavors to meld and texture to mature for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.